Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Taurus, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, guys. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Taurus, if you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy. So let's start with these cards here. We have Knight of Pentacles, Judgment, and Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, Taurus, maybe you expected certain things to come towards you, but what is there right in front of you is something different, guys. So some kind of difficulties because of that. Maybe you feel that you cannot trust anyone, or you cannot trust your future. So there are some things happening in an unexpected way, and you find it really difficult, guys, to cope up with the sudden changes happening in your situation. It may be in your career, or it may be in this personal life. You feel that you cannot trust this person, maybe. And for some of you, I also see that you know this person very well. You have a beautiful understanding with them. You both share great trust, but something has come up that is causing some kind of difficult situation for you guys. Maybe you know something about them, or you found out something about them. That is the reason for some kind of troubles in your situation today, guys. Taurus. And I also see that for some of you, your situation is going to resolve, guys. Maybe you have spoken out the truth, whatever you felt or whatever you heard about them, maybe. And you are maybe you would have heard some gossips, and you are clearing the doubts you had, because you, maybe for some of you, you have spoken about these gossips to that person. Outright they may get angry, but they are here to clarify. Maybe the words they speak is going to clear all your doubts you had, and things are going to maybe renew between you. Maybe gossips may not be the problem. Maybe you had some arguments, or some stressful situation, but all that is going to resolve, guys, and you are moving towards reconciliation. That is what I see. So things are going to be back to normal. You are going to feel happy again with this person you love, Taurus. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Page of Cups in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, maybe there are some obstacles in your situation, guys. Maybe this person is not telling you the entire truth, guys. So maybe they are still hiding something. So you need to be really careful, guys, with this person. Maybe they want to get back in this relationship with you. So that may be the reason they are speaking something. But if you can trust this person, if you believe in them, then you can go forward with this love, guys, Taurus. So that is what I see, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have the Devil. So in your career situation, guys, you are making a lot of efforts, guys, tremendous efforts, working really hard. Maybe your situation, your career situation is not so good. It demands your skill and talents and concentration. And you're working really hard today, guys, Taurus. And maybe certain things that are happening today, maybe the difficulties are all a part of your destiny, and you are simply going to come out in a very successful way in your life, guys. So you need to understand that and feel that serenity in your heart when you have that understanding and acceptance that things will change for the better very soon. So that is the reading, guys, with these cards, Taurus. If you want more clarity, guys, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So that is coming up right now, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. Or you can think about these crystals and meditate. Maybe you may have some questions or doubts. You can think about it. Close your eyes and meditate for a few seconds. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card and move on to this card, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so for those who chose this first card, I will keep this card aside. Let's see what is the card. This is a crystal for y'all, and the card is Blood Angel. So these are Rumi cards, guys. These cards are based on poet Rumi's poetry. So this card just means that this oracle card, it comes with a special message, guys. So today you are given the gift of more life. So to experience this growth or that energy in your life, you need to understand that to have that essence, to live that essence, you are maybe you need to face some unavoidable situations, guys, experiences. So there may be lot of painful experience you may go through in life, because life is all about balance. When you are opening yourself to receive more, you need to understand that you need to empty whatever you have in you, guys. Maybe your past, whatever hurt you feel or you would have felt, you should empty all that. And it is an exchange that is happening in your situation, guys, compensating for what is coming to you. So maybe there will be a great loss you suffer, emotional or psychological changes you may see, and you are going to release all that, whatever you have, to receive whatever is coming towards you, guys. And maybe for some of you, that darkness of grief or maybe some hurtful feelings that you have, all that is going to clear up in the coming days, guys, or maybe very soon. So you need to be ready to endure the sadness or stress or grief in order to enjoy the beautiful things that are coming towards you, guys. And this card also comes with a special blessing of well-being and vitality in your life, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card and the second crystal. So this is the second crystal and this is the second card. So the card is Rapunzel, Liberation. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe for some of you, you are trying to isolate yourself. You are trying to block people from your life. You don't want anyone near you. You are trying to be alone, shunning people, maybe friends or family, whoever it is, and you are trying to protect yourself from them, and you have become what to say, someone who is not easily to be accessed. So you have some past hurting you, maybe some heavy thoughts, some negative emotions. Maybe it is time you liberate yourself from this isolation, guys. And maybe you're escaping from facing your world, maybe the outside situation, your friends or family, or this person. Someone is coming interested in you, you are not ready to face them, you are escaping from every situation because of some negative thoughts or some heaviness in your heart. Maybe it is time for you to give up these negative thoughts or all the attachments that you have. And maybe the wait is over, guys. Maybe you spent too much time alone. That time is over now, and you need to see life with a different perspective, and you need to free yourself from your heavy thoughts. You are the one who can free yourself from this situation, guys. No one can help you other than you yourself. So you have to come out of this isolation, some kind of separation you are experiencing today. You are the reason for that, but because you are not ready to face the outside world. So you need to have that courage in your heart and come out of your situation and release yourself from your past. Maybe your past has hurt you a lot. You need to release yourself of all those negative emotions that you have within you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.